Welcome back. I've got a restoration project to do. I'm going to restore this early 50s General Electric refrigerator, and on this video I'm just going to show what I have to do to refinish this, stripping the paint all down, take care of the rust, and refinish it. So let's get started. I'm using Rust Trap from SEM. This is the equivalent of Pour 15. Just clean the metal, brush this on. It's supposed to dry a little quicker than Pour 15, and I'll probably put maybe 2 or 3 coats on this stuff. I'm just going to use it on the lower areas where there was a lot of rust. There's 2 heavy coats on everything with the brush, and once that stuff starts setting up, it dries pretty quick. Second coat was a little bit hard to put on because the brush wants to drag in it. That can sit and dry, and then the whole thing will be sanded down and primed. I found some 36 grit for the DA. I didn't know I had this laying around. This actually is working a lot quicker than the metal conditioning tool. This is what this is designed for, so I'm going to finish up with this. Next, I'm going to go over the whole fridge with 80 grit on the DA. I'm going to use Rust-Oleum self-etch primer. A friend of mine who has a shop does a lot of restoration work. He said he's been using this for a few years and has real good results with it. I'm going to put a nice wet coat over all the metal, let it dry up, and then I'll sand it down and put my urethane primer over the top of it. Once the etch prime's set up, I use my finish sander, 220 grit, went over everything, went around the edges with a scuff pad, get it washed down with Prep-Sol, it's ready to prime. I'm going to sand the refrigerator and all the parts down with 320 on my finish sander. I'm using Omni by PPG. This is actually the same paint that I used on my Daihatsu mini truck. All right, I got this fridge done. Got it moved down into my basement. Real happy with it. Come out nice. Now, one thing I had to change here, on this bottom panel, this top panel here was chrome and it was all beat up full of dents from over the years, stuff getting dropped on it. So when I tried straightening it, the chrome was real thin and I really couldn't save it, so I straightened it all out. I put auto body filler on it, sanded it down, I painted it black. Then I got this chrome transfer tape to put on there to dress it up a little bit. If you want to see the complete video on this restoration, I'll put the link to that down below. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.